Hello everyone! Thank you so much for tuning in to our channel once again. Today's video request is how to use Canva AI. So we're going to talk about all the AI tools in Canva in today's video. Let's first take an overview about the things we're going to talk about. First, we have Magic Write, then Text to Image Editor, and finally, the Magic Edit tool. So let's get right into it. First, let's talk about Canva's Magic Write. You can use Magic Write on Canva Doc and even on your regular design. If you haven't used Canva Doc yet, then you can go to your home page and under the search bar look for Docs and then click on it. You can either look for some templates you want to use by scrolling down or create a blank doc button by going back up and by clicking on this doc button. It will take you to the doc page where you can create or edit your document. And here we are. In order to activate Magic Write, you have to activate the Magic Assistant first. Press Ctrl+E or the / button on your keyboard. Either one works. And this box will appear. Here, we can see Magic Write, which is the first option. So we're gonna click on it. So what can Magic Write do? Well, you can use this tool to help you kickstart things or to expand your ideas. But do remember, it's not meant to write everything for you, but rather it's there to help you and assist you when you're spending too much time taking a pause because of writer's block. You can use it to create a paragraph or an outline, for example, or you can use it to expand a certain topic that'll give you more ideas and will help you continue writing and overcome your writer's block. Anyway, here's how you can use it. So input your prompt right over here. Say, for example, okay, so my input or my prompt is, give me 5 tips on how to overcome writer's block. Once you're done inputting your prompt, hit enter on your keyboard. And there, it generated your content in less than a minute. Do also remember that it has limitations. That's why Canva suggests you review the content first to check for any inaccuracies. And make sure to make your content original and unique as well. Say, for example, there's a specific part in your content that you don't really know much about or aren't sure about. So go to that part. Oh, first we are going to remove the numbering here, right? And I'd like to turn it to bold and increase the size to about 15. So they will be our H2, for example. And we're going to look for a specific point here. Say, for example, the last part. We'd like to expand it more to give us more ideas on what to write about. So we're going to hit enter to add a new line. And this is 15. Yeah, we're going to turn this to 12 because this is going to be the paragraph now, not a headline anymore. So you can activate Magic Write again. So that's Ctrl+E or /. And we're going to select Magic Write and input our prompt over here to help us think of some more ideas. So we're going to input here. And then we're going to hit enter. And there you go. So these ideas will help you get back on your feet. And that's how you use Magic Write in Canva Doc. Going back to our design page, we have, say for example, we're going to try to create an Instagram post and we're going to use the Magic Write tool this time. So we're going to go to our design page over here and we can activate Magic Write here as well. Ctrl+E or /. Both work perfectly fine here as well. You can click on Magic Write and input your prompt over here, whatever it is that you want to input. Say in this example, we're trying to create an Instagram post about codes to upload to our Instagram page. So I'm going to ask Canvas Magic right over here to give me a certain code. So let's try it. And there we have it. Our prompt is included, so we're just going to delete our prompt. And there you go. So now you have your code. The only thing you're going to have to worry about is the designing part. We're going to quickly do that. So we're going to try to look for a template here that would match quotes. How about this one? We're going to add as new. And then we're going to, maybe we're going to delete this and add another text box, or we can just copy our AI generated text over here. Okay, there we go. We can choose to change the colors if we want to. It's all up to you. Okay, the next thing we're going to talk about is the image generator. So we're going to stay right here. And despite being new and needing some improvements, this is still a very powerful AI tool actually that'll help your imagination come to life. So what can you do with image generator? Where can you find it? It's simple. On the sidebar, go to Apps, and then scroll down and find this one, Text to Image. You can also use the search bar to look for it. So we're going to click on it. And by the way, it'll automatically be added to our sidebar so that the next time we want to use it, it'll be easily accessible. So before you generate your image, you'll have to write down what specific thing you'd like Canva to make for you. So we're going to try it out. Okay, maybe that'll do. And then it's time for you to choose what kind of style you'd like your picture to be. So click on See All to view a lot more options, and they're divided into different categories. So they have photography, digital art, fine art as well. So in this case, I'd like ink print. And then if we scroll further down, we also get to choose our aspect ratio. So in this case, we have square, landscape, on portrait. We're going to click on square for now. Then click on generate your image. And your image will be processed. And yeah, it's going to take a bit of time, but you'll be given 4 images or 4 AI generated images. And there we go. We're going to wait for the other 2, and there they are. So let's take a look at them one by one. Let's take a look at this one first. Ah, it looks lovely. This one, let's take a look. Lovely as well. What about this one? Cute. But I don't think the reflection matches. And I think the tail there's something wrong with the tail as well. So that's gonna be a problem. Oh, and the star is also deformed, I think. Or maybe that's just the art style. But yeah, sometimes you will find errors. So if that happens, then you can just click on create again until you find something that you're happy with. I think the tail for this one is also not right. And I think its head looks weird, as well as its fin. But yeah, they're still really awesome, I think. And by the way, the images you clicked on will automatically be uploaded to your upload section. So if you go there, you'll be able to find them. The ones you don't click on, they will not be added here. So yeah, you can use your photo now, your AI generated image, and then design it however you like. Okay, we're going to talk about Magic Edit right now. So we're first going to select a photo that we're going to work on. So I'm going to go to the Elements section. and I'm going to type here flower. Go to graphics, or photos, I mean. And we're going to select a nice picture of a flower over here. Okay, maybe this one. And we're going to go to, I'm going to click on it. And we're going to click on edit image. And then we're going to go to the new editor, because in this case, we're using the old editor, and the option to use Magic Edit is only available on the new editor. So we're gonna go to the new editor by clicking this button. Check it out. No worries, you can go back to the old version by going to the bottom and clicking this one, revert to the old editor. But for now, we're gonna stay here, and then we're gonna click on Magic Edit. How does it work? So it's basically a tool that helps you erase a certain part of your photo and replace it with anything, like anything at all, depending on what you input on its prompt. So let's try it out. So when we click on it, you'll see that we'll follow important steps. We have 3 steps to follow, actually. So first, highlight or color the parts you want to be replaced. In my case, I'm going to do that. I'm just going to make my brush bigger so that we'll finish quickly. Okay, we're done. We're going to click on continue. Now we're going to go to step number 2, and here we're going to type what we'd like to replace our element with. So it will be created for you using AI. Say, for example, rose. We're going to replace it with a rose. Then we're going to click on generate. It's going to take a bit of time, so let's wait for a bit. And there we have it. Those are the things that Canva's AI generated. Obviously, they're not perfect, but I think it depends on how well you colored or highlighted the part you want to edit, or how well you described, or how specifically you described your prompt. I think this one looks nice. I think I'd like to keep this one instead. And once you're done, click on done. But if you're not done, you can keep on generating new results if you want to. And I think that's it. That's basically it for today. We do hope that you found today's video of help somehow. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. You have a great day.